Welcome to your movement snack of the day. We've got 2 exercises in this short sequence to strengthen the back and open the front. Those common areas for those of us that drive desks, ride bicycles, pick up heavy loads, pick up children, hold phones. Basically, if you're a human navigating this awkward human body, this is for you. What you need is yourself and a wall or something firm that's not going to give when you put your body weight into it. So meet me standing when you're ready, and let's get started. So find your way with your back against your firm surface. My feet are about a foot away from the baseboard, and then I'm leaning my bum and my head against the wall, and you're going to bring the arms up into a cactus or a field goal. And we're aiming to get the elbows at 90 degrees. They might be slightly lower, but not going higher. So if you can get them out, straight out from the shoulders, and then get the backs of the hands, the back of the forearm, the back of the elbow, the backs of your shoulders, and the back of the head into the wall. And then all you're gonna do is press, press, press. So with all your might, you're gonna start to engage the back of the body, back of the head, that space right behind the ears pressing back and up like you'd pick a puppy up from the scruff of its neck. The back of the hands, those fingers spreading wide, the backs of the elbows, the backs of the shoulders, and trying to maintain this engagement without jutting the ribs forward. So can you keep those front ribs soft and quiet? And can you maintain this without clenching your jaw? You might be muttering under your breath or cursing at me, that's fine. I can't hear you. Okay, pressing, you're still here. I'm with you, solidarity, keep going. Now that I've been here for a little bit, I realize, I could slightly drop my tailbone, I could slightly drop my chin, and then recommit, one more breath, press, 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 press. And then drop the arms, let go of that effort, press yourself off the wall, and stand. And already I feel that feedback of the wall. I can feel my spine and shoulders draw back where they belong. That reminder to stay upright. All right, now that we've strengthened the back, let's counter by opening the chest. So you're going to turn your right side to face the wall. And I'm about, again, a foot away from the wall. You'll be closer depending on how your shoulder feels. You might be further out. You're going to take that right arm up the wall to about 12 o'clock. And then you're going to walk the hand back to 11 o'clock. Or 1 o'clock? Can't remember how to read an analog clock. It's 1 o'clock. Hand back towards 1 o'clock. And then step your right foot forward slightly and your left foot back a little bit. And you're going to glue that right hand to the wall. It's not going to leave. But as you start to bend that right knee. So you're going towards a little bit of a lunge. Right hand stays firmly connected to the wall. Fingers are spread. You might even grip the wall a little bit with those finger pads. And then I'm imagining, because it's happening for me, you might be experiencing this as well, that right arm is pulling my right ribs and chest towards the wall. So you're going to work to coax those right ribs, the right side of the chest forward to match the left. And that right hand is pressing into the wall, right knee is bending, that left foot is an anchor. Head is floating right atop the spine. Another full cycle of breath. Good. Okay. Drop the arm, step forward, resist that urge to rush to the second side and just stand a moment. Observe yourself. Observe the residue. And then you'll turn around and switch. So we'll turn so the left side's facing the wall. You're going to walk that left hand up starting at 12 o'clock and then back to now 11 o'clock. Inside foot, which is now the left one, steps forward. Right foot back. You're going to glue that hand to the wall. Spread the fingers, spread the palm, and start to bend your left knee. Wow, and I can already tell which side is my tighter side. You might not have to work quite as hard on this side to pull the left ribs forward. I think most of us are right arm dominant. Might be the opposite for you. So just becoming that student of your body, observing the different quality of effort on this side. And staying committed to pressing that palm into the wall, bending the left knee, Encouraging the left side of the waist to wrap forward. And soften something. Take one more moment. And then let it go. Drop the arm, step forward. Again, standing, noticing, and letting yourself soak up the movement. All right, I hope that was of interest to you. Use it anytime you need. Just a short break from your desk, a great thing to do after hours on the bike, and use in good health. Until I see you again, be well.